Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Application Phase and Organization Learning, which comes under the fourth module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss human resource management for knowledge management. In order to gain competitive advantage from knowledge management, organizations need to identify core competencies, and HRM can play an important role in creating and developing the organizational capabilities required to compete in the knowledge economy. The role of the HRM professional will then focus on integrating individual, team and organizational learning for the benefit of both customers and shareholders. HRM can play an important role in creating and developing the organizational knowledge management strategies geared to creating wealth from intellect. Human resource management has in recent years been exhorted to demonstrate its position as a strategic partner to execute management, commanding a central position in realizing value from knowledge assets is proposed as a strategic role for HRM. Specifically, HRM must respond to the key challenges presented by the knowledge economy. The HR manager's role in knowledge management are: first one, knowledge facilitator; second one, relationship builder; third one, rapid deployment specialist; and fourth one, change agent and strategic partner. First one, knowledge facilitator. In this role, HRM helps the organization acquire and disseminate knowledge and use it to create competitive advantage. Actually, the knowledge facilitator role is much broader and requires creative integration across traditional HRM activities. The role forces both rethinking old ways of managing the workplace as well as using innovative approaches outside the box of traditional HRM. Second one, relationship builder. HR must facilitate cross-functional teamwork. HRM must build networks and shared people communities around the strategic objectives of the business to ensure competitiveness. Third one, rapid deployment specialist. The global economy moves quickly, requiring HR to anticipate and implement any staffing adjustments that evolving markets and business strategies require. This will necessitate a versatile, flexible HR architecture. Fourth one, change agent and strategic partner. From its traditional role as service function, HRM now needs to be a change agent to bring in change in culture, practices and management. HRM is a participant in the change process. The change in business environment calls for knowledge-driven strategies where critical mass of HR is activated to implement them for business benefit. HRM function therefore is a strategic partner in this endeavor. Paradigm shift in HRM functions. In the knowledge economy, the role of HRM needs to expand, looking both within and outside the organization. The traditional focus on managing people has been broadened to managing organizational capabilities, managing relationships and managing learning and knowledge. The HRM function is now loaded with additional responsibilities of actively participating in the executive function of the business enterprise, collaborative and participative role in management of business. Next is organizational learning. Organizational learning is a process involving interactions among many individuals leading to well-informed decision making. Reuse of knowledge and inventing something new is considered as desirable behavior. Clearly, Shifting from individual to organizational learning involves a non-linear transformation. In this lecture, we have discussed human resource management for knowledge management. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.